Hi guys, how you doing today? Welcome to our channel. It's Edward
And Nita, hello everyone.
and we're in the Philippines. We're on a mission today. Let me tell you, we're taking you along with us. We've been to where? SM Telebastagan, SM Supermarket. We've been to next door, Save a Lot, Save More. And then
Sing Sing.
now we're going to Sing Sing Market, taking you with us. We're on Friendship Highway. And we're gonna
Go to Pure Gold.
after that we're gonna go to Pure Gold. But this video we're going to Sing Sing Market, so we figured we'd take you along with us.
For just looking for simple pinto beans and kidney beans.
Yeah, some kind of kidney beans to make chili with. I can't believe none of the supermarkets here have it. They have it on the apps, like you can order it, like Amazon here. It's called, what is it called? Lazada what's the Shopee or something.
Yeah.
They have it, but it's crazy. To order one bag of kidney beans is like 50 pesos or 40 pesos.
45, yeah.
45 pesos for a kilo bag of kidney beans, but then they charge you 58 pesos to deliver it, delivery charge. So we're on a mission today, just trying to go around to the supermarkets and everything. Here we're at the Porac Road in Friendship. They've got this ongoing construction going on. I think it started in 2019 when we were here first time.
Yeah.
And they stopped because of the pandemic for 2 years, and
I know.
they're just starting to work again by putting the pillars up and everything. It's a nightmare. But
It's project by Little Lapid.
is it Lapid? I don't
Yeah.
know. Or part of Angeles City's thing or something.
Porac.
Yeah, we're
He's
at
a
Port
senator
Road.
now. He used to be a governor. Now
Oh.
he's a senator.
Okay. Well, so hope you don't mind a little traffic here. After we get through this here shortly, we're going to continue on Friendship. After Porac Road, you'll see, looks like there's a gas station here on the right, and there's one on the left. What else is there? There's a pizzeria, right? What's it called?
Pizza, yeah. They
And
have, what else more they have?
Chow King.
Chow King.
And then on the left is
Jollibee.
Yeah.
And the new fast food in the corner. I forgot what's name. They
Fast
just
food in the corner. I don't know.
they just put that.
Fast food in the corner. What? The Dunkin' Donuts there? In
Oh
the gas
yeah,
station?
the Dunkin'.
Brand new Dunkin'
brand new-
Donuts on the corner here on
Yeah,
the left.
brand new Dunkin' Donut.
Wow. And it's a drive-through. It's got a little drive-through, but it's a drive-through. So
I'm so bad. I need a bake and kidney beans. I really want to have a
chili. She wants to make.
chili con carne.
Yeah,
But it's
with
chili, they
beans
call
and
it.
the meat.
Yes.
But she's been doing a lot of baking lately too. We posted some of those pictures on a Facebook channel to try to share with everybody. So we're getting through the intersection now. All the construction is done.
Or simple pinto beans or black beans. I can't find
We
it.
can't find them here.
They used to have before.
None of the supermarkets have it.
I know.
We even checked where at the
market over
None of the
here,
market
yeah.
has it. The street markets
Yeah,
don't have
I
it.
used to make those even when
All they have
before
is what?
then.
What kind of beans they have here? They have
They-
string
they have-
beans
They have mongo beans.
and string beans. I've seen. What other kind of beans they have? They have lima beans here.
They have lima beans, those things, but
Okay. Huh. But it's a beautiful day. It's been hot here. I don't know about where you're tuning in from, but it's been like 93 every day. Feels like 103 kind of thing. Everybody says it's because of the global warming or something, which is crazy because we thought the weather was going to be just like Florida here. At least it used to be. But Florida's probably in the 70s now, or lower 80s if anything. And we're still at 93 for some reason. But
I know I hear some people talking what's going on.
everybody's wondering
It's
here what's going
supposed
on.
to be-
Oh, here's the Sing Sing Market.
Yeah,
It's
Sing
a
Sing.
Korean market.
Yeah, it's a Korean
So it's a
market.
Korean market, but they have a lot of stuff, seaweed and all kinds of cool stuff, beans. And so Nita's going to jump off the motorcycle here and check it out. But thanks for watching, guys. Say goodbye, Nita.
Bye. Talk to you.